the police station. If you have any problems, you can ask me for help. We have a case to solve this time. This is Sheriff Kiki.
Sheriff Kiki, I see a bad guy causing trouble on the street. Can you come over here?
Stay calm. Please tell me your location. I am on Babybus Street. I'll be right there.
Sheriff Kiki, you're finally here! A bad guy is drawing graffiti on the wall and ran off on the bike when I came.
There's no case that Sheriff Kiki can't solve. Leave it to me.
Great!
Huh? These are the tracks of a bicycle tire. We will find the bad guy who ran away by following these tracks. The tire tracks have disappeared. Huh? This is the bad guy's bicycle. There are a lot of footprints by the bicycle. Hi, Auntie Rabbit. Huh? Do you know who passed by just now? Let me think. The passerby just now is a wolf, a rabbit, a bear, a chicken, a sheep. Who left these footprints? Wait, they are the footprints of a chicken. I remember. It is a chicken covered in paint. Do you know where the chicken has been? Which house is the bad guy hiding in? Not just here. Let's get in immediately. It's so crowded here. Where is the chicken covered in paint? I found it! It's wrong to draw graffiti in public.
I am wrong. I won't draw graffiti everywhere in public again.
Sheriff Kiki, mission accomplished! Great! The cases were solved! Wow! Here are the coins from my hard work!